Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will learn about GitHub and GitHub desktop, and we will create a repository on GitHub and we'll connect that repository with our Visual Studio Code. So first of all you should need a version control system for Git. So go to the official website for Git and you can download for Windows or any operating system according to you. You can also read the documentation here. If you want to check that your Git is installed or not, just open your command prompt and write here git hyphen version. Then it will give you the current version of Git that you have installed. Okay, so it is giving me. Just close the window and let's create a repository on GitHub. So open github.com and log into your account. Here on the left hand side you can see my previous repository. So let's create a new repository. You can give it any name according to your project. Description is optional, so keep it blank for now. You can choose private or public. If you select public, then anyone on the internet can see this repository. You can add a readme file that describes your folder. So here we can see a git ignore, so just keep it blank for now. It's not recommended. So here we can see we have created a repo having readme file. It is on the cloud. So let's clone it in our local system. So just copy the address and open command prompt. Before that, let's create a folder. So we have created a folder called git and open command prompt here in this folder. So to clone the repository, just write git clone space and the URL which you have copied from the website and just press enter. So our repository is cloned into a folder. So let's open it with our Visual Studio Code. So here we can see our project having only readme file. So let's create a file. Let's give it a name, app.js, and give it any message in console. Just console it for now, console.log. And in browser we can see now it's only readme file. If we want to push this code, then we have to write the following command. So first of all, just write git add space dot, so it will add the file which you have created. And if you want to commit with your message, just write git commit -m, and your message you can write according to you any message. After that just press enter. So our code is committed, but it's not pushed yet. If you want to push in your branch, so just write git push origin and your branch name. If you are in the same branch, then you need not to write your branch name. So just write git push and enter. So yeah, our code is pushed, so we can check it in our browser. To check that our code is committed or not, just open your GitHub and just refresh the page. Here you can see that app.js is created. So it was the first way of cloning your project into your local storage. So let's keep it more simple and delete this project for now. We will clone it again. For that you should have a GitHub desktop. Make sure that GitHub desktop is downloaded. If it is not, then go to GitHub desktop and download it in your operating system. So open the GitHub desktop. Here you can log in with your GitHub. Just continue with your browser. So yeah, you can see all the repositories which you have in the browser. So let's clone our new repository with GitHub desktop. You can choose the location where you want to clone your project. So the repo is cloning. So the repo is cloned. Let's open it with our Visual Studio Code. Here we can see our files which we have created previously. So let's do some changes on it. In GitHub desktop, here we can see the changes what we have done in Visual Studio is appear. So let's commit that changes and push the code into our origin. And in browser we can see the changes that app.js file is updated with second message. And let's create a new branch. Let's give it a name. Let's give it Ravi. Let's create a branch and publish that branch into GitHub. And into github.com. After refreshing the page, here we can see that a new branch is added. Branch is added and it has the code of main branch. In editor, our current branch is Ravi. If you want to switch your branch, so just open your terminal and write git checkout your branch name. So here we can see our branch is changed and we have switched into a main branch. So let's do some changes on main branch. Let's create a file index.js and give it any random message for now. So let's push the code. Let's push the file which we have created. Just add that file. Git add index.js and give it a message, commit message, git commit -m and write index.file is created. And just press enter and push the code. Here we can see that index.js is created. But in the second branch, Ravi, it is not present. So for that, let's switch our branch. So we have switched the branch from main to Ravi, and let's take a pull from main branch. Git pull origin main, your branch name, the branch you want to take pull into your branch. So here we can see in our local device, in local system, the indexed file index.js is created, but it is not still in GitHub, because we haven't pushed the code yet from our local device. For that we have to add the file and just push the code into GitHub. So let's refresh the page, and yes, we have received the code in this branch. So thank you guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.